In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create stunning posters, covers, and presentations super quickly with my free design elements pack. Hi there, my name is Nastya. I'm a digital artist working with clubs and musicians. And I know how tricky it can be to find the right design elements or create everything from scratch. But what if you could save hours of work and make your designs faster and easier? With my free design elements pack, you can simplify your workflow and create stunning designs really fast. So stick around till the end to grab it. And now let's get started with the first poster tutorial. Firstly, create a new document and set these parameters. Open my free collection and drag this element onto the canvas. Duplicate it and flip the copy. Merge both layers into a smart object, then center it on the canvas. Now duplicate the element twice and shrink each copy to create this shape. Add it to the background as well. After that, go to Unsplash, download any texture and place it. And here comes the fun part. By changing the blending mode to get this unique effect. You can also add a gradient map with these colors. Next, create a new grid with 50 pixel margins and add some text. I chose the Oswald font. Let's grab another element from the collection and change its color. Double-click the layer, pick a color, and fill this space on the left. Now lower the background element's opacity. To finish up, add a square, then draw an ellipse and add a few lines. I'll make a few final tweaks, just slightly enhancing the gradient map contrast and darkening the headline color. Let's also recolor these elements, just group them and pick a new shade. And that's it, the poster is done. Now let's create a cover. Start by creating a new file and check the artboards box. Open the folder and choose this element. Then add a gradient map in the layers panel. Choose these colors and you can check the reverse box for a different effect. Next, I want to add this element to give the central object more depth and glow. Duplicate and group them. For the background, I'll add this image. Then apply a Gaussian blur and reduce the opacity. Rotate it a bit. Then select the rectangle tool, draw some lines and center them. Change the stroke color. I'll use the ellipse tool to add 4 symmetrical circles filling the entire canvas. Finally, add the text, and the cover is ready. For the third example, let's create presentation slides. It's super simple. Start with a new file, add this background and type some text on the left. For the second slide, I've added some text, then grab this element and place it on the right. To center everything, just group the objects to align them. And now let's break down the final examples. I'll show you how I created these posters using elements from the fantasy collection. For the first poster, it's very simple. I just took this element, transformed it heavily, and scaled it up in the background to create this beautiful gradient. In the second poster, I just transformed this element as well and selected the part I like the most with a smooth gradient transition. The third poster is even simpler. I combined 3 elements and added a texture on top. The last poster follows a similar process. I flipped the element, applied the texture, and of course, I added text to all the posters. And that's it for today's tutorial. Give it a try and let me know in the comments if you have any questions and if it worked out for you. You can also explore our latest collections from Behance, link in the description. As you can see, my illustrations can be used in so many different ways. And the best part, I want to share this free collection with you. Here's how to get it. Leave a comment under this video and tell me how you'd use these elements or which design from this tutorial you like the most, and then follow the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed the process and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next Photoshop tutorials. See you next time!